विरोधी पक्ष नेत्यांच्या चेंबरमध्ये वीज नसल्यामुळे मेणबत्त्या पेटवून पत्रकार परिषदेला त्यांनी संबोधित केले. गेल्या अनेक दिवसापासून या चेंबरमध्ये वीज नसून विधानसभा संकुलात सुरू असलेल्या कामाबाबतही त्यांनी अनेक प्रश्न उपस्थित केले.
कित्याक आज इन द लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन्स कॅबिन आज काडोक आहा कित्याक लास्ट 15-20 days I was using एल्टन डिकॉस्टाचे PAC ऑफिस आणि हेजे रेनोवेशन जे आमकां एक रिप्लाय आहली की रेनोवेशन ऑफ दिस चेंबर्स ऑफ द मिनिस्टर्स एंड ऑफिसर्स. द रिप्लाय सेज that 14 crores was spent. 14 crores. आणि आज जेन्ना द PWD seems to be my office try to coordinate. The PWD pushes the buck on the electricity department. म्हाका काय खबर ना आणि आमकां आज काळखांत आमी काँग्रेसाचे आमदार पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट आमी आज CLP आपयल्ली एंड इन दिस CLP वॉट वॉज शॉकिंग टू सी इफ यू लुक हिंगा भायल्या पेंट मारला हे बिल्डिंगाक जेन्ना पेंट मारला एक कोडे एक कलर एक कोडे येलो एक कोडे ऑरेंज एक कोडे जॉन्डिसा कलर सो हे कामीण जाल ते भाशी दिसता. जरी तो तुवें रूफ चोयल्यार पेंट पयल मारला आनी रुफाका मायक होते. सो बेसिकली दिस लुक्स दॅट दिस गव्हर्मेंट एब्सोल्युटली इज नॉट बॉदर्ड आणि पब्लीक स्टेट एक्सचेकर जे पब्लिकाचे पयशे आहाय हे पयशे वेस्ट करपाक हे प्रयत्न आज हो सरकार करता. 2 दीस आदी आय थिंक द आसाम चीफ मिनिस्टर said that all government officers, MLAs, ministers had to pay their own bill. As leader of opposition, I also get a residence given by the government, but I have till today never taken it. So I don't know whether they put this light off here and they want to save electricity. Maybe it is a welcome step if they want to do that, cutting the light, electricity, trying to save. So my request to the government is that this has to happen across all the sections, not only in the leader of opposition's chamber. आज CLP आमची मीटिंग जाली आणि पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष आशिल्ले तिनी आमी आमदार अबाउट दी अपकमिंग लेजिस्लेटिव असेंब्ली सेशन. And we decided that the Congress party with the opposition has to have a joint strategy, and we will definitely work towards raising issues pertaining to Goa and Goans. Over the आमगेले जेन्ना आमी लोकसभा इलेक्शनाक जेन्ना प्रत्येक ब्लॉक भोंवताले एक वाठारांनी आमचेले ब्लॉकाक आमी सांगलेलें की इश्यू आयडेंटिफाय कराय म्हणून. इश्यू जेन्ना आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले तेन्ना a lot of input has come from our grassroots workers belonging to the Congress party from both North Goa and South Goa, and issues kityak they have gone on the ground during the Lok Sabha election. There are several issues that the party feels that all the 3 MLAs have to take in the interest of the state and the party. We discussed several issues and we are confident that taking the opposition MLAs together, we will be the voice of Goa and Goans. आज दुख जाता कित्याक लायटीचो इश्यू जेन्ना आमी प्रत्येक टायमी ह्या विधानसभेन मांडलेलो की दॅट when there was commitment given by this government that a rate would not be hiked to 3.5%. Basically, this government is insensitive towards the hardship faced by the common people or by Goans. आणि हे power tariff jenna increase kela because on one side a tariff increase kela, on the other side you see power cuts, you see uninterrupted power supply to domestic, commercial and industrial consumers. Yesterday Verna Industrial Estate also, the association has made a statement that they are unhappy with the policy of this government. ह्या विधानसभेन आमी उत्तर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जे पॉवर मिनिस्टर आहा तेका केल्ले की 1400 crore जे revenue, they have failed to recover this revenue from industrial and government defaulters, some or even of the electricity department. So why burden this government? Why do you burden the common man? याच गव्हर्मेंटाक आम्ही जेन्ना प्रश्न केल्लो की 12,000 crore तुम्ही इम्प्रोवायझेशन ऑफ पॉवर डिस्ट्रीब्युशन अँड ट्रान्समिशन सिस्टमाचे तुम्ही मोडलेले फ्रॉम आय बिलीव्ह इट वॉज फ्रॉम 2019 to 2022 12,000 crores because the power minister says that they are doing underground cabling now. There is underground cabling happening, I think, in all constituencies all across the state of Goa. But where did this 12,000 crores go? For improvisation of what? आणि एंगेले म्हाका दिसता हुई ना हुई this government has failed to reduce this power losses and control this power theft. Electrification जेन्ना electrification लागून death जाता आज almost we have data of almost 69 to 70 people, innocent people have died over so many years due to non-safety and giving them of equipment. So the Congress party has decided and demanded, and Vidhan Sabha आम्ही मांडले get that immediately you have to roll back this increased power tariff and recovery of 1,400 crores. आणि एक म्हाका दिसता बीजेपी पक्षाक सोय जाल्या कित्याक they have mastered the art of making fortune. कालच्या दिसाक आमचे युनियन मिनिस्टर बाब श्रीपद नायकान एक स्टेटमेंट केलो that they would appoint consultants and basically with wind turbine projects, windmilla project. And this announcement, Jenna Bab Shripad Naikan Kela, I don't know whether he's looked and done any homework or any application of mine. Because there is a reply given by the government of Goa that all the sites in Goa fall under low wind regime and are not suitable for installation of these larger wind turbines. For म्हणजे feasibility ना आणि हो सरकार आता consultant आणि एक हाडून already I will show you that particular reply. I will share it with you. This was given that this is not on 25th July 2023. Or report सांगता की it is not suitable for installation of large wind turbines. This is reply by his own government. So आंत हे वार हुंयच्यान येलें हे म्हाका दिसता this government should stop this type of फक्त ही जुमलाबाजी जे सांगताय लोकांक पिश करपाक आनी एक कन्सल्टंट अपॉइंट करून ऑर आटीन सोडून आनी गोंयकारांक त्रास करपाक हे प्रयत्न जालेले आहा.